It's National Quilting Month, and quilting is, for the world, quilting is opportunity. It's opportunity for community, making friends, sharing time together, creating beautiful one-of-a-kind heirlooms. It's opportunity for personal growth. It's opportunity for healing. And if you're like me, it's opportunity for a career and to support my family. So thank you for that. Quilting, I think, for the greater world community of crafts is opportunity, and opportunity to pay attention to the history of quilting and where it's headed. That's pretty exciting stuff. Happy National Quilting Month from Anna Maria in Franklin, Tennessee.